Yo, yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast.
6 a.m. It's pretty cold here. Trying to get something to do.
I woke up early in the morning before everybody was awake. For this session, I really went out with the intention to take photographs. I told myself I have to shoot with intent. The thing with street photos, based on my experience at least, it's mostly walking. It's not always about taking pictures. It's mostly walking 80% of the time, trying to find something interesting. Lucky for me, I found these ladies. I tried to be discreet, but I wanted to get really close to them, so I just smiled my way and looked friendly. I wasn't content with one shot, so I went around, wait for them to ignore me again, and try to take different shots of different angles. So overall, I think this technique worked fine for me. I even took a picture of this car so that they won't feel uncomfortable. It's not like I'm here to get them, so I pretended to be interested in this car, but I went right back at them. But at this point, they were already okay with me.
Kind of regret not having higher speed film with those ladies. And overcast light. I was expecting sunrise, but it's too cloudy right now. So my film was pretty slow. Too bad. But hope it turns out well. Shit, I'm going uphill. Look at this building. It's amazing. The reflection of the sunrise on the pane of glass of this giant building looks absolutely beautiful. I wonder if I can climb here though. Let me get my exposure right. Here we go. Alright, let's wait for the motorcycle to arrive. Here we go. $125. Motorcycle's probably blurry, but that's fine. That's kind of the look we're going for. There's not much to take photos of here. I guess it's too early. Everybody has cars. Not a lot of action, so let's just go home. That's it, we're done. We got 15 shots. Out of 15, maybe I got 2 or 3 that are good, but I can live with that. That's fine with me. This tea is so good, I'll tell you that much.
So for this session, I only came home with 3 or 4 shots that I really like. At the end of the day, what's important, at least for me, are the memories that I've made, the experiences, all the learnings that I can take home with me. You know, not all the time, it's all about the photo that you take. For me, it's the entire experience. So I guess this is why I'm also trying to do the street photography POV style so that I could share to my friends and family how I take these photos. Because like every great photograph, there's a great story behind each one of them. So as always, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Till next time. Peace.
Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, ball, I'm a really big hitter.